Good afternoon, welcome to Aero Engine and Maintenance Lab. So, experiment number 7 is one of the most important experiments where the students will be carrying out the different kind of riveting, and more importantly, they know how to, gain knowledge how to do the tooling part with the help of your tooling machines. So, what we normally do now, we will have big sheet metals. With the help of the sheet metal cutting, we will just cut the sheet metals according to the shapes and dimensions. And this is nothing but your sheet metals. So what we are going to do is, we are going to perform a lap joint. So it is nothing but two different kind of sheet metals which has two different kind of dimensions. So lap is this kind of things. You can see the lap joint like this. So what we will do now, we will just mark the dimension according to the questions. So with the help of your normal pencil, we will be having the scale, and we will be just measuring the what is the exact dimension according to the questions. With the help of this small riveting nut, we used to call it as fasteners. Sometimes we used to call it as riveting fasteners. So we have different kind of fasteners which is used in your aircraft industry. Especially this kind of fasteners can be seen in your landing. So the fasteners is nothing but we have the self-locking fasteners and anti-locking fasteners. So this kind of landing gears, when the landing gears, so this is your normal aircraft which is going to take off, you can see the landing gear. So triangular things, you can see the landing gear in the front nose part and at the end of your aircraft, which is at the back side of the airplane, you can see the another two landing gears. So for that things, when the aircraft is going to lift, this landing gear belongs to the self-locking landing gear. So the landing gear can be seen in the 90-degree direction. When the aircraft is about to fly and it's to take off, and finally the aircraft is flying at the steady level flying, automatically the landing gear will just go inside your belly part of an aircraft, so that the locking fasteners will just anti-lock. It's nothing but you de-lock, and finally the landing gear will retract and go inside your aircraft fuselage, inside your aircraft belly part of an aircraft. So what the importance of this fasteners? It is nothing but a self-locking fasteners. So same kind of fasteners we are going to just teach it in this lab. So what is the importance of the self-locking nuts and fasteners? And this kind of fasteners is used for riveting the sheet metals. If you take the aircraft fuselage or any kind of wing structure of an aircraft, we are using your aluminum alloy. Outer skin of the aircraft is nothing but your aluminum alloy, high grade aluminum alloy with 6000 to 7000 sheets. That has a very good structural load, 7000 series. So this kind of sheet metal is made up of an aluminum alloy. We will be doing all kind of patching and repairing work with the help of the fasteners. This is nothing but the riveting. For this riveting, what we are going to use is your gun. We used to call it a riveting gun. So what we will do now, we will just fix this kind of fasteners like this with the proper dimension. So the safety aspect is very important. We won't allow the students without safety. Definitely when they are going to do this operation, one lab instructor, one lab in charge has to stand in front of them in order to do. So it is nothing but a sharp gun. So it is nothing but a fast gun, and it is a sharp gun. Within a fraction of a second you can do the riveting operation like this. So I am just doing the riveting operation, and you can see it. You can see it. So this is the riveting, we have done it. You can see the T riveting. So this is a lap joint. You can see the lap joint like this. Just showing it lap joint. And this is the riveting. So this is one of the most important tools where the aircraft patching work can be done in this laboratory. So when our students is working in any kind of airline industry as a maintenance engineer, if the aircraft is coming to pay, if any kind of structural damage happen to that particular aircraft, with the help of this gun, they can do all kind of patching work. So this gun, riveting gun, is nothing but one of the most broad gun. So this is nothing but one of the most important tool in order to do any kind of patching work in this aircraft, any kind of aircraft. So thank you. So this is experiment number 7, is patching work of entire structure of an